everyone. Welcome to lesson 6 of YCT standard course. Today we are making sentences. 我的朋友以前很胖，但现在他很瘦了。This means my friend used to be fat, but now she is very skinny. 我的朋友以前很胖，但现在他很瘦了。我的朋友以前很胖，但现在他很瘦了。是的，太好了。That means that is wonderful. 是的，太好了。是的，太好了。胖 means fat. 胖，胖。This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment. Hit the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.